Well, hello everyone. Because of technical difficulties, I wasn't able to get my video up into the classroom last week as expected. And since we're into the next week, I decided to redo the video. Well, there's a few things I wanted to mention. One of them was grading. Every now and then I do get questions about, why didn't I get a 100? Why did you deduct a point or two? Well, the thing is, Capella does not do grading from a 100-point minus deductions system. The way it works is it builds up from zero. So if you're doing the basic average work, what you're going to do is get a score somewhere between 70 and maybe 80, and that's about a C. That's for just hitting the numbers. Now, if you do exceptional work, you can get 90 or more, and that will be an A. So it's not a matter of having points deducted, it's a matter of earning enough to get you 90 or more to get into the A range. Again, it's going to be a matter of how much thought you put into it, and that is the main part of it. So it's not just a matter of hitting certain points, hitting certain numbers, and then expecting to get an A. So it doesn't work that way. It is more about what kind of contributions you're making to the class and what kind of thought you're putting into the work. Doing exceptional work will give you an exceptional grade, which is 90 or more, which is an A. Okay, now getting on to one of the newer things, the annotated outline, which was work we did last week. I hope you all looked at my example of using headers to put together something like an outline. The way it should work is you came up with the number of sources you needed for that week's work, which was week 5. Your sources were cited APA style with a little description of it below it. Now you put those in order, and if you can categorize them according to theme or topic, go ahead and do so. And for example, if it's for topic A, you say here's A or whatever that is, and your appropriate sources below that, and then topic B and your sources below that. Take a look at my headers if you have any question. That is in a document I posted in the discussions where the actual annotated outlines were posted. Any questions, please bug me, send me a course email, or in the Ask Instructor area, I will be more than happy to answer those. Next thing we're working on this week is the elevator speech and the initial plan. Elevator speech, this is a 30-second to 1 minute little presentation spiel that you would give to someone who is appropriate, maybe the person you really wanted to talk to as far as pitching your proposal, or someone you need to get their backing in order to make this thing go forward. So this is that little piece, that little 30-second or 1 minute piece. Now, I am not going to be doing these for con calls. If you want, you can either write the script out, which isn't going to be that long since it's 30 seconds to a minute, or you can record it. Audio only would be sufficient. So please look at requirements for that, and again, ask me if you have any questions. The initial plan, in the assignment it mentions an outline. What works out better is if you put together the documentation we've been doing so far. That would be the documents, and put them in the order that we've done it. Maybe add an introduction at the beginning and maybe a conclusion at the end in case there's anything you want to add. And that would be it. Again, any questions, please let me know. I hope everything's going well. I know some of you have had health, travel, all kinds of other issues, and if you need any help, extra time, whatever, please let me know. I know we need to be flexible because work happens, deployment happens, and yes, life does happen as well. So I hope all of you are doing well, and have a great week. And coming up in a few months, I hope to see some of you at graduation. Of course, go back and look at my post on that as well. Let me know if you have any problems, and have a great week.